So you can see the only two options here, which is in-stream ads and in-stream ads for live. There's no option of fan subscription, and the criteria is the same. You can see it all. I've not posted any video, it's just a testing page. And then in-stream ads too, I've not posted anything. Turn heads, break necks with ads that slay. Hi everyone, it's your media playboy here, girl with the media vibes, and welcome to ASA Aspire to Advertise, unleashing all shades of creativity. Finally guys, I am so excited. We have been waiting for this for so long, and I'm proud to tell Nigerians and people residing in Nigeria that you can now monetize your Facebook page. And I noticed that by 28th of June, I just woke up and I saw people were posting on Facebook that finally you can monetize your Facebook page, you know. So I was like, are they sure, or is it just as usual, you know, everybody making noise about a certain thing? So I had to do some verifications and research to find out if this was true, right? So yeah, we can actually monetize our Facebook page now. I realized after I had finished making the first part of my video and I played it that the microphone wasn't on, and by then I had already like changed and cleaned my makeup. So sorry, the lips are not going to be syncing for this first part, but from the next part of this video, everything goes back to normal. You'll be able to hear, you know, my voice, but in this first part of it, sorry guys. Anyway, this video is going to be focused on how to get started and different ways that you can earn on Facebook, the different methods, and then the policies and criteria formats that is used for Facebook. So I'll probably do a part 2 of this video if it gets longer. So let's get started. So first off, I logged into my Facebook account on my PC, and then I changed my account to professional mode. So you can see professional dashboard here. You can always change it back if you want, but you have to change your account first of all to professional mode, right? Then the next thing I did was to create a page. So this is like an overview. I had to create a page, so you can always, this is the account, and then this is my actual one. This is my page, one of my page, but it's a foreign account, and then this is the testing page. So I clicked on it after creating the page, and then you can see 0 likes, 0 followers, right? So after I did this, of course I had to put like what the page is about, a picture and all that. Now you can see the professional dashboard of the page, right? Then you see everything. Once you already have your page set up, you can see all this, your page, your content. So it should just show you all the analytics on what goes on in your page, and how you can also earn achievements for creating reels on your page as well. Then the next thing I did was download Meta Business Suite. So Meta Business Suite, you must have it if you're going to be monetizing your page, because it's going to help you like with everything. So after I downloaded Meta Business Suite, you can see this is it. So this is my foreign account here, the Media Playboy. And then if I click this arrow down, you'll see this page I created here, which is the one I created here in Nigeria. So let me show you something first. This Media Playboy account, you will see home, notifications, planner. So this is for if you're going to be like planning your content, you can schedule your content, then your exact content, like all the contents that you have.
Insights is like an analytics on how your contents are performing and which ones people are engaging with. Inbox, of course, if somebody sends you a message. Then you must see monetization, right? So this monetization, now I clicked it, then you're going to see overview here. So you can see my status now. One page with monetization issues. You click eligibility, and then you can see there are 3 ways here, right? In-stream ads, fan subscriptions, in-stream ads for live. Then when you click this arrow down, which is the criteria, grow your audience, there are criteria for before you can start doing in-stream ads. Then you'll see you can also see create engaging content. You can also see build your video library. So you must have had at least 5 on-demand or previously live published videos on your page that are active and created by you. So you can see I've already made this one, right? So I have to still do these other ones and this other ones. Then I'm going to close this criteria. These fan subscriptions, you can see create a subscription for your page and earn a monthly income. Choose a monthly price, offer exclusive benefits, and grow the community of people who subscribe to support you. And the last one is in-stream ads for live. So include short ads in your live and previously live videos to earn money. You decide which videos you want to monetize with pre-roll, mid-roll, or image ads, and then we tailor the ad experience to your viewers based on where they're watching. You can see the criteria here. Grow your followers. You need to have 10,000 followers. Scroll down, broadcast engaging content. In the last 60 days, you need to have a total of 600,000 on-demand live and previous live minutes. So this 600,000 is actually the minutes that is required for you to be eligible. Then there's also publish your live videos. So after you've gone live, it's always going to be saved on Facebook, like it's one of your content already, right? So you can see all this, and you can see criteria not met. Sorry guys, I'm a small page, so I'm still growing, so you all can support me and follow me. Thank you. So I'm closing this right now. Then I'm going to go to, you can see here, action required, monetization issues. So I'll click see details, and you can see the Media Playboy has no recent monetization violation. So here you get to see if you ever violated any of the policies. And of course they have this partner monetization policies and content monetization policies. So I'm going to talk about all that in my video. So that's basically it. Now I'm going to go back here, and then I'm going to change to the page I opened in Nigeria, which is this testing page. So now you can see the testing page here. Then of course, can you see monetization as well? So this is how I knew that Nigerians can now monetize their Facebook page. So once I went, I'm on monetization, you can see overview, see view page eligibility. So you can see the only 2 options here, which is in-stream ads and in-stream ads for live. There's no option of fan subscription, and the criteria is the same. You can see it all. I've not posted any video, it's just a testing page. And then in-stream ads too, I've not posted anything, so it's just a test page. So you can see the difference. The other one had fan subscription and this one doesn't. I don't know, maybe it might come later, or maybe it's not part of the things that are required. And then here, of course, you see if you have any monetization issues. Then education is, get started. Facebook helps you and tells you, how you can learn stuff. So sometimes they always add things that you can learn from about your monetization. So I'm going to end. So guys, from the screen record I just showed you, you already know the criteria. You must be 18 years older and above. You have to change your account to a professional account. The next thing, you have to create a page, and you can earn from your profile and you can earn from the page, but the page is easier for you to track because you're going to be using Meta Business Suite, right? Of course, you must now start posting your content regularly, and then you must have at least 5,000 followers and 60,000 minutes for your normal videos. And then when you're going to be going live, you need to have 10,000 followers and 600,000 minutes. Like, it's just like watch hour, just like YouTube has its own watch time, watch hour, and all that. So it's the same thing with Facebook. People must have watched your videos for these length of periods before you're eligible. I think there's a 60 days, right? So now let's get down to the different ways you can earn. So one thing you must understand is there's so many ways to earn on Facebook, but I think that they sometimes try to narrow it down or something like that. But I also know that apart from the things you saw on the monetization, there are other ways to earn that were not part of it, which would come along the way when they see that your contents are beginning to get better at what you're doing, right? So let me just discuss the first way, which is in-stream ads, which you saw, right? In-stream ads is just basically ads that would appear in the beginning, in the middle, at the end of your video, your content, or at the bottom of your content. So you see where when you want to watch someone's video, the first thing that will play is an ad before the person's video. Or sometimes along the video, you'll see like 2 different ads depending on the length. And after watching the person's video at the end, you're still going to see another ad. These ads are from businesses and different people that are running Facebook ads to create awareness for their businesses and brand, right? So Facebook, of course, has to now advertise what they have paid for in your content videos so people can actually watch it. So when people now click on those ads, let's say they're interested or it's something that got their attention, you're still going to earn money from the clicks as well, apart from your views and likes and comments and all that. So the ads that appear in the beginning just before your video starts playing are called pre-roll ads. The ads that appear in the middle are called mid-roll ads. The ads that appear at the bottom while watching the content, you should check. You see some people's on, especially Bet Niger and other businesses will advertise, and you just see an image at the bottom of the content before you can comment whatever you feel like commenting. So those ones are called image ads, right? And the last one is post-roll ads, which is the ads that they'll play at the end of your video when people are done watching. So these are like 4 different types under in-stream ads that you can earn. Once you're eligible, you choose how you want the ads to appear on your videos. You can also choose all of them. Some people like to choose 1, 2, 3, or all of them. It all depends on you and what kind of content you're going to be creating. The next way to earn money on Facebook is through creating reels. So reels are reels like Instagram reels, TikTok, how you just scroll and you're seeing different content. That's the way reels are on Facebook. It's not really like the usual news, your usual feed, homepage, Facebook. So you can make quality content on reels, and based on the performance of your reels, you can earn money. But you must have been consistent for a while before Facebook will now send you an invitation if you're interested in adding this to your money-making plans on Facebook, right? So the good thing about reels that I like is you can have one video, but you can now split the video into multiple clips, right? And then post it on reels, so people are seeing different aspects of the video. So let's say I have a 10-minute video, right? And I want to post it on reels. I'm going to crop a part that I feel is really captivating and just cut that part, because there's only 1 minute that you have, 60 seconds. So you have to clip just the 60-second part of the video that you find that would get people's attention, post it on reel. You can also find another part to clip it, post it. You can post multiple reels. There's no limit to all that. So that's another way that you can earn money. And they also run ads on reels. So that's another method. Another method of earning money on Facebook is through stars. So just like YouTube has its own gifts, TikTok has its own gifts, Facebook has Facebook stars. So when you go live or when you post videos that are quite interesting to your audience, people can send you stars. So stars are like gifts to you, since they can't really send you money directly. So sometimes when you see someone's content on Facebook, you're probably going to see like 200 stars was sent, another person sent another star. Sometimes you even see the person that sent it from the comment section. So stars is just a way of gifting the creator something because you like their content and you want to encourage them. Now mind you, each star is 1 cent. So except somebody is sending you like from 200 stars, or let's say at the end of your video, whether you're live or your main video, you get a total of like 8,000 stars. That's when it makes a whole lot of sense. But if you're just getting 1 star, 2 star, just know that it's going to be counted in cents and not $1 per star.
Another way to earn on Facebook is bonus programs, right? So this one is just an additional that Facebook does for creators. Based on the performance of certain videos, they are going to pay you like an extra bonus in addition to what you're already earning, right? This bonus program is basically when you based on your earnings, your challenges, your achievements, things like that. So Facebook does it so that creators have like something else that encourages them to continue. So there are two types of bonus programs. There's performance bonus and there's challenge bonus, right? Performance bonus is based on views, interactions, performance of your content, right? And they feel like you've achieved a milestone. They'll give you this achievement trophy and they'll tell you how much you've made as a bonus. Then the challenge one is when you win challenges. Like sometimes you see Facebook will tell you, do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. When you win that challenge, they're also going to pay you some extra money. So that's another way of earning on Facebook. Mind you, Facebook also has to invite you, just like Reels, if you're eligible to participate in these bonus programs. Yeah. So the next way to earn on Facebook, which is the last one, or second to the last, is through monthly subscriptions and partnerships. So remember when I showed you the video, right? The screen record that I did. So this monthly subscriptions is basically, so you know this thing where you get a notification, especially when you're watching someone's content a lot and you interact with the person's content, you get a notification that says, congratulations, you've earned a top badge for so and so creator. So that's the way. Once you earn that top fan badge, then it makes it possible for you to subscribe to a specific creator's page, and you can send them, you can subscribe just like normal monthly subscription of Netflix and other things. You get extra things from the creator's content. Basically, you subscribe to the creator's page for a specific fee, and then you can get some extra benefits and insights when compared to the person's normal followers. Yeah. Then another thing is you can partner with brands to get paid to share your reviews and intel about their products. So this partnership, they need to be part of Facebook and Instagram's creator marketplace, right? So this just lets you as a creator or brand influencer, see a lot of products, and you can drop your own reviews about these products, and the people, the company or the brand can now decide to partner with you, almost literally like influencer marketing sort of, and of course, if you don't have any clue about influencer marketing or how to source influencers to create a buzz for your brand, please watch my video on influencer marketing. And I have how to become a successful influencer and how to find perfect influencers to run your business. So one is just about you as a person that wants to be an influencer, while the second one, which talks about how to find the perfect influencers for your business, focuses on the business or the brand that are now sourcing influencers out there, the factors that should be considered when sourcing influencers. So yes, this partnership option on Facebook helps you to get products, give you a review, partner with brands, and share a specific revenue at the end of the day. So I don't like lengthy video, guys, so I have to stop here, but I'm going to do a second part where I now talk about another way to earn, which is collaboration. If you really don't have content ideas for Facebook, right? So collaboration is quite different, but you have to partner with other creators to earn. I'm going to talk more about it in the second video. I'm also going to talk about the partner monetization policies that you saw. I'm going to break it down, like things you should avoid so that your page is not affected and they don't send you a message saying you have been demonetized and all that, or when you're already struggling to grow, you're already getting that kind of notification. I'm also going to talk about the content monetization policies. They're two different things. So the kind of content that should be there, what it should contain and what it should not, and also the formats for Facebook. So different social media platforms have different formats, right? It's not the same way that you record your videos for YouTube that you would record them for Facebook. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to drop a comment so I also know what's missing and what you'd also like me to talk about in my next video concerning Facebook monetization. Once again, congratulations for everyone living in Nigeria, ready to create content and start making money in foreign currency. Until then, go find your asa. Take it from your media playboy.